Welcome, fellow wordsmiths, to a video dedicated to the art of editing and revision. Are you ready to refine your writing and transform it into a polished masterpiece? Today, we'll explore valuable techniques and insights to help you navigate the editing and revision process with confidence. Let's dive in. The first step in editing and revision is to take a step back. Distance yourself from your work for a while to gain fresh perspective. This allows you to approach your writing with a critical eye and identify areas that need improvement. Embrace objectivity as you dive into the editing process. Start by reviewing the big picture elements. Focus on the overall structure and organization of your piece. Check if your ideas flow logically and coherently. Ensure that your introduction hooks the reader, your main points are well supported, and your conclusion leaves a lasting impression. Make adjustments as needed to strengthen the structure. Consider your writing style during the editing and revision process. Review your sentences and paragraphs for clarity, conciseness, and readability. Remove any unnecessary repetition or wordiness. Look for opportunities to enhance your language and engage your readers. Remember, simplicity and precision can make a significant impact. Grammar, punctuation, and spelling play a vital role in refining your writing. Pay attention to these technical aspects during the editing phase. Correct any errors, ensure subject-verb agreement. Use proper punctuation, and check for spelling mistakes. A polished piece demonstrates your professionalism and attention to detail. Seeking feedback from others is a valuable part of the editing and revision process. Share your work with trusted peers, mentors, or writing groups. Embrace constructive criticism and diverse perspectives. Use feedback as a tool for growth and improvement. Consider suggestions that align with your vision and make revisions accordingly. Another effective technique is to read your work aloud. This allows you to identify awkward phrasing, detect repetitive patterns, and catch any inconsistencies. Reading aloud helps you evaluate the rhythm and flow of your writing, making it easier to spot areas that may need revision or refinement. Today, I encourage you to approach editing and revision as an opportunity for transformation. Step back, review the big picture, refine your writing style, attend to grammar and spelling. Seek valuable feedback, and read your work aloud. By mastering these techniques, you'll bring out the full potential of your writing. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey of editing and revision. Remember, editing is where your words truly come to life. Embrace the process, invest time in refining your work, and watch as your writing evolves into its full brilliance. Until next time.